Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for a credit card with SunTrust. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To register for a credit card with SunTrust, begin by opening your web browser. Type the URL for SunTrust's website into the address bar. Once the page loads, look for the credit cards section. Click on that section to explore the different credit card options available. Review the various credit cards and choose the one that best suits your needs. After selecting a card, click on the Apply Now button. You will be directed to the application page. Begin by entering your personal information in the required fields. This typically includes your name, address, date of birth, and social security number. Next, provide your financial information. This may require your annual income and employment details. After filling in your information, review it for accuracy. Once confirmed, click the Continue button. You may be prompted to create an online account if you don't already have one. Follow the instructions to set up your account, including creating a secure password. After your account is created, or if you already have one, log in using your credentials. Continue following the prompts on the screen to complete your application. Once you submit your application, wait for a confirmation message. In some cases, you may receive an instant decision. If additional information is needed, check your email for further instructions. If approved, you will receive your credit card in the mail within a few weeks. Keep your personal information secure throughout the application process. Now you are ready to start using your SunTrust credit card responsibly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.